we guide you through how to change app icons on iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have Shortcuts app installed. It usually comes pre-installed on your iPhone. Open the Shortcuts app, tap the plus icon in the top right, then tap Add Action. In the search bar, type Open App and select it. Tap App, then choose the app you want to customize. Next, tap the small drop-down arrow at the top, select Add to Home Screen, then tap Icon Preview. Choose Photo or choose File to upload your custom icon image from your gallery. After that, rename the app to whatever you want it to display on your home screen. Tap Add in the top right, and your new custom app icon will appear instantly. You can now move it anywhere you like. Repeat the same steps for other apps to fully customize your iPhone home screen with your own aesthetic icons.